And the sun followed and found the moon, and led her to love's own feast. And they were wed on that rocky bed, and the dying day was their priest. And lo, the beautiful opal, that rare and wondrous gem, where the moon and sun blend into one, is the child that was born to them. Scenes of deep space encased in rock. This is the nebula stone, a precious opal from the depths of the Oregon desert. Seeming to glow from within through clouds of interstellar dust, it is named after the birthplace of stars. But what gave rise to the nebula stone? And how can opalization transform the buried remains of former worlds into fantastical, sparkling gems? Traces of the past set aglow in mystic plays of light. Mineralized forests, seafloors, tooth, bone, entire skeletons of gemstone. Our stories are bejeweled with magical stones, symbols of otherworldly power and control, timelessness, beauty. They are the source of countless tales of quest. In the Middle Ages, the opal was said to grant invisibility if wrapped in a fresh bay leaf and held in the hand. It was believed to provide great luck, possessing the virtues of each gemstone whose hue was represented in the color spectrum of the opal. This feature is so distinctive that we use words like opalescent and opaline to describe similar phenomena in the world. In fact, opalescence is caused by the internal structure of the stone. Densely packed arrangements of mineral spheres diffract light passing through, much like a prism, dismantling the composite light into individual bands of color and scattering them to flashes. The nebula stone demonstrates a special play of light called contraluz. It can collect and dazzle light from the side opposite the viewer, appearing lantern-like and celestial with its gathered beams. Like 59% of Earth's crust, the nebula stone is composed of silica, the clear component of beach sand. In certain geological areas, like Australia, Mexico, and the American desert, silica gels occur naturally and accumulate over eons. In these landscapes, underground cavities were generated ages ago, often the result of natural calamity. Lava flows cooled and hardened into rock sheets, reminiscent of Swiss cheese, pocked with holes from escaping gases. Immense slabs of stone buckled and cleaved in earthquakes, leaving behind veins of empty space. In some cases, plants and animals were buried in prehistoric mud and ash. Over time, the surrounding sediment hardened, creating a chamber in the earth shaped in the exact likeness of that life form. Next came ages of silica-rich waters seeping into the ground, spilling into the pockets of space like buried vessels. It is theorized that episodes of geologic heating cooked the water back to steam, leaving the silica behind each time as a deposit. Then another wave of silica-bearing water would come pouring through. This cycle would repeat over and over again for millions of years, eventually filling the cavity permanently by completing a cast of the space in mineraloid silica. Mineraloids differ from crystals in their non-linear geometries and their stacked spheroid construction, slices light in unpredictable and playful ways. For this reason, the behavior of each opal is unique. Indeed, the nebula stone and other precious opals are as varied and as mystifying as the night sky, deep in all its stars. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to make sure you see the next one. Thank you for watching.